Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be putting you guys through on how to make a foundation chain crochet. If you're interested in this kind of video, please do sit back, relax and enjoy the rest of the video. This is actually for beginners, so it's beginners friendly. Anybody can do it, and you know it's very easy and quick. So do enjoy the rest of the videos. Thank you. So the tools you'll be needing is this 4.0 crochet millimeter hook. This is actually what I use for my tutorial, and then I use my heavy-waisted yarn for it. This is the yarn I actually use for it, and it's quite easy and friendly for beginners. So to start this tutorial, all you have to do is place the yarn on top of your two fingers, wrap it around, holding it, and then you just pass it through under your fingers. It's quite descriptive. You can see it from the video. I will do it again. It's going to be reviewed, so you will see it. It's just an easy peasy kind of tutorial. First off, you bring it your two fingers, you wrap your yarn around it, pinching it, and then you just pass the long part of your yarn under your fingers. As you can see, it's quite descriptive. You can see it from the video. Passing it through, thereby making a slip knot. You get. After you must have made your slip knot, then you put your hook right under it and adjust it to fit your hook size. It shouldn't be too tight or too loose. It should be accommodative for your hook to pass in and out freely and easily. After that, now is the time to start making your chain. But all you have to do is pass your yarn under your fingers so it can slide through when you're making your chains. So you slide it under your smallest finger on top of your second finger, make an extra support, and you start creating your chain. You hold your slip knot, and then you hold your hook, you yarn over through that hook, just like I'm doing in the video. It's quite descriptive. You yarn over again, pull it through that chain, and then holding the chain as you go. You yarn over, put through under it, you hold it. Just watch what I'm doing and then you'll get it. You create an extra support, you yarn over, pull through that chain, hold it, and then you keep yarning over and pulling through as you go. So guys, I went ahead to do a few more chains off camera, and this is what it is. This is actually a foundation chain towards how all crochet items are made. This is just the first process towards how all crochet items are made. So in our next video, I'll teach you guys how to single crochet, double crochet, and from there subsequently we'll be making crochet outfits. So do well to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification, because we've started. Thank you.